bread flour, yeast, olive oil, and some water. Looks really good. So we want to start off with some good old bread flour. You're gonna need about 4 cups of this. So I like to leave the 4th cup at one side just because later when we're kneading the dough, this comes in handy to make the dough less wet. So we'll go ahead and add the yeast to about 375 milliliters of water. We're gonna take about 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast and then just mix it. And then we're gonna just take some salt. And we also want to take the olive oil and just add a splash into the flour. I'm going to take my wooden spoon and make a well in the middle. And this is where I'm going to add the yeast. I'll put half first. Then I'm going to put in the other half. Kind of looks like wet sand. You definitely don't want to touch it with your bare hands right now because it's going to get stuck. And you can still see it's kind of sticky. So we're going to add some flour. And when I see that the dough is not sticking onto the sides of the bowl anymore, then I will add a pinch of the flour on the tabletop. And we can start kneading the dough. How long has it been? So after you're done, you just want to shape it and put it into a greased bowl. Let it poof up. So now we're just going to make some sun-dried tomatoes as part of the toppings for the focaccia. So I've got the cherry tomato. Yeah, you can say cherry tomato. And you just want to slice them in half. Put them on a baking tray. And then we're going to take some salt and we're going to very generously season these tomatoes. After you're done, you can just pop these in the oven at about 70 degrees Celsius. So it's the next morning and we left our dough overnight to rise and it's doubled more in size now. We're just going to go ahead and put the toppings on the focaccia. Now we're going to use the sun-dried tomatoes that we made. I'm just going to use the olive oil to brush the dough. Then I'm going to make holes in the dough, fill wells, and stretch it out to the entire dough. Olives. A handful of garlic. And rosemary.
Wow.
That's fine.
Hey,
Yeah, we're all good.
all good. Okay,
Yeah.
that's important. Yeah.